Well, good evening, lovely people. I hope you're having a great day today. Alright, we're about to do salt and pepper squid. Now, you are going to witness me put 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of pepper in my flour. Do not do that. I ended up having salt and pepper with squid last night for the first lot. It was not good. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. So I read it wrong clearly, and I did 2 tablespoons instead of 2 teaspoons. So I just wanted to let you know at the beginning. Yeah, I redid the flour and did it with the 2 teaspoons of each, and mate, it was mouth-watering. So let's do this. So to make the sauce, first thing we need is some sweet chili sauce. We need 1/4 of a cup. Now what I've done is I've got a jar. I'm just going to hope this jar is big enough, but you need a jar with a lid, so once you put it in, you can shake the crap out of it. Alright, so 1/4 of a cup of chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Now we need, half a cup of chili sauce, and we need 1/4 of a cup of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now we need a 1 clove of garlic crushed up, or I'm just using my minced jar garlic, so I'll use 1 heaped teaspoon of that. Put your lid on and shake the crap out of it. Boom, we have got an awesome dipping sauce. So I'm going to chuck that in the fridge while we make our squid up. Alright, to prepare the squid, you get our tube, cut it in half long ways. Remember what you've done, open it up, because you want to score the inside. So you just want to put, you don't want to do it too deep, you don't want to go through, but you want to score it that way, and then you want to go across it this way. And you want to make sure you get the inside. Now for these, because these are little ones, I'm going to cut them in half, and that is roughly the size you want them, okay? Slice it down the middle. Alright, open up the middle, score it, score it. So bigger ones, you probably get 3. So you do 6 in them. Okay, exactly like that. Then we're going to put them in a bowl and get them ready to go. So just do the whole lot up. Put your oil on, get that heating up, ready to go. Doesn't matter what oil you use, I always use canola. Okay, in a bowl we want 1 cup of plain flour. We want 2 tablespoons of salt, and we want 2 tablespoons of crushed black peppercorn. Now that's mixed in really well, get our squid out, ready to go. Get yourself a plate with some paper towel and tongs, and let's do this. Alright, so you get your squid, you put it in the flour. Hopefully the oil's hot enough. In she goes. Get your next one, flour it, dust it, and in she goes. Now we just want to cook it until it's just a beautiful light brown. It doesn't take very long, you don't cook squid for very long at all. In she goes. Boom, there we have it, my friends. Oh my god, the best salt and pepper squid ever. Your dipping sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. See ya.